Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video I will show you how to make a inverter using ferrite core we got from a flyback transformer, as you can see guys. So we are going to make a winding and see how we use it guys. So follow up guys. So guys, as you can see, we make use of 7 turns, as you can see. So we are going to continue from this middle, then wind another turn, so it's going to be 707 guys. So the loop will be the positive. So guys, as you can see, we make 707. The middle is our loop, which will be the positive, and the up here and the down here is for the driver input, and the middle is for the positive, which is the loop. And here is our output guys, as you can see. So I make use of 100 turns for this other winding guys. So follow up while we build the rest. And here is our MOSFET. So guys, our project has been completed. As you can see, the middle is positive and here is the negative. So guys, here is our battery, as you can see, non-rechargeable battery, and I make it in series. So we have more than 12 volts, like around 14 volts guys. So I made it in series guys. So here is our negative. I'm connecting it to the negative of this N channel MOSFET, as you can see guys. And the second wire here is our positive. So that's the negative, and here is the positive guys, as you can see. So we are going to put it in the middle of this winding, like I said before. So we are going to add a switch to it. So guys, here is our switch, as you can see. So we want to connect the positive to it. So we are going to connect it to the middle of the winding, which is the loop, the transformer we are using, as you can see guys. So guys, we are using 10 watts bulb for the testing, 220 volts LED bulb. So we are using it for our testing, to test our inverter. As you can see, our project has been completed guys. So we are testing it now. So let me on it and see. So guys, as you can see, our project is working perfectly fine. This is a 10-watt bulb, and here's our battery. As you can see, it is very bright. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.